how to reduce CO2 emissions by more than 1,500 tons per year. Standard paint lines utilize a dryer oven for the wet sealer. Before cleaning with traditional methods, the sealer needs to be dry. By using the Wandres Robot Sword Brush, as you see it here, an oven is no longer needed. This high-performance machine is cleaning precisely on complex geometries. Recently applied PVC seals will not come into contact with the brushes. The cleaning efficiency, energy saving, and cost reductions are impressive. You can save millions of kilowatt hours in gas and energy every year. If you are planning on a new paint line, consider using Wandres and eliminating the oven investment. We invite you to visit Wandres to do some trials and tests with your car body. Hope to see you soon.